Hey guys, so in this video we are going to see complete Java guide. So with this you are not going to have the knowledge of the Java. You also have the knowledge of history. Not knowing the history is no problem, but in this video, as this is the intro video, just we are going to see a simple intro of the Java. So first see the definition of Java. So we all know Java is an object oriented programming language. So what is OOP? OOP is meant by that only, object oriented programming. So we will be going to see complete details about these OOPs concepts in the upcoming videos. And Java will run on JVM, Java Virtual Machine. I will going to show how to download the Java and how to write your first program in this video only. And of course, I said before, so about Java. So Java is created by Dr. James Gosley and his green team at Sun Microsystem. So originally, it's not Java. Originally, the name is Oak in 1991. After they renamed as it is Java because Oak is a tree that is a coffee tree in front of their office. So they liked that tree. So after that, due to some reasons, they have rechanged it from Oak to Java. So first version of Java is released in 1995. These are not necessary. This is not important to remember at all. So just for learning purpose, I am sharing these things. So in the upcoming videos in this series of playlist only, I'm going to cover all these concepts, all these modules in series wise. So that is the reason that I am launching this first video about the syllabus, the concepts that I'm going to cover in the upcoming videos. So the first one is module 1, the basic setup that we all know that we are going to cover in this video only. So what is Java? We have already seen. Setting up your environment variables like JDK, GRE, JVM, IDE, variables, data types, operators. So the second module is control flow and logic. So what is meant by control flow and logic? This is very important in while writing the Java code. So conditional statements, loops, input output statements, how we can able to take and print output out from the user with the help of the control flow and logic that we are going to cover in this series of playlist only. Next one is object oriented programming language. So as Java is object oriented programming language, everything is only classes and objects. So the first one, that is foundation only. So the next one is constructors and methods. Yeah, of course, while learning about class and objects only, we will get to know about constructors and methods. The next one is the four pillars of the OOPS, that is encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. And the next one is interfaces and abstract classes. And the next module is DSA, guys. It's DSA. It is very hardcore important to land in any high paying job throughout. Because without DSA, you're not going to have the interviews as well. Because the first round, first three rounds will be this only, DSA. So this also we are going to cover in this playlist only. So watch all the videos, please. So in the DSC we have arrays, linked list, stack, queue, graph, trees, also everything, hash map, each and everything that we are going to cover in this playlist. So next one is working with string objects. So the module 5 is advanced core concepts, guys. So up to now, what we have seen is the basics. So somewhere we need to implement these basics. So the implementation part is here, the advanced core concepts. That is exception handling, like try catch. For if you want to have the web development that we are going to have in this series only with the help of Spring Boot. Next one is multi-threading and concurrency, running code simultaneously. File handling, read from a file, writing from a file, writing from another file, updating another file with the help of the current file. So these are all things that we are going to see in this playlist. So the final E, that is the thing. So introduction to Java features, lambdas, streams, servers, database connections, JDBC, that is Java database connectivity, overview of frameworks like Spring Boot. These are all things we are going to see. Actually, Spring is there. Extension is Spring Boot. We are going to cover, no problem. So quickly, I came to the desktop and I go to the Google Chrome now. So in the Google Chrome, I am going to search JDK download. So do that. So JDK download. So I forgot to mention that Java belongs to the Oracle. First, it belongs to the Sun Microsystems. Later on, Java bought by Oracle. So go to Java downloads. Here we have two versions. You can see. So I will zoom out a little bit. Okay. So here we have Java two versions, Java 25 and Java 21. So according to your use cases, you can download as you wish. So I am going to download Java 25. So my mission is Windows. If yours is Mac OS, you can go for Mac OS, or if you want to download Linux, you can go for that. So as mine is Windows, so I'm going to click on Windows, and so I want to download the installer. So again, I'm saying I want to download the installer. So click on this. So it starts downloading. So wait until some time so that the installer can get downloaded. So you can see over here the installer is downloaded. So directly I will go to the folder. So here is the folder. So as you can see, I'm in the downloads. Just double click that. So click OK, OK, go next, next, next. The simple process as you're downloading other softwares. So just allow the permission. It will take some time because as it all load on as it all has to configure your system. So it says the software already has been installed on your computer. Would you like to reinstall it? So because as in my computer, the Java is already there. So if you want to re-download, it can click on OK. Yes, let's see what happens. So first of all, Windows installer prepare to remove. Okay. So yeah, in my computer, Java has been downloaded. So how can I know that Java has been downloaded or not? So first of all, we need to go to command prompt like so. Yeah, I will go to command prompt. And first of all, I need to search Java hyphen hyphen version. Click on OK. So it is saying Java is not recognizable as internal or external command. So Java is not there in your computer like that it is saying. So for that, what I need to going to do is set the environment variables. Otherwise, it won't be working in my laptop. So this is the setup wizard now Java I had that has been completely removed from my laptop. So it is the new Java. So that it is it is showing the wizard. So I am going to click next. So it is asking that what is the where is the folder that I am going to save. So you can see over here that in the C drive I am going to have in the programming files Java JDK 25. So it is if Java is not there, it gonna going to create a new folder called Java. In that it is going to have Java 25. So I gonna going to click next. That's it. It will be going to download or copy new files complete Java to my laptop once again. So for showing you, I have removed all the Java and again reinstalling that. So it's a very simple process. So that's why I deleted and showing to you. I hope now Java is installed. So again, go back to command prompt and uh, I hope so. Java hyphen hyphen version. So let's see what happens. So done. That's a simple process how you can run the Java. So Java is downloaded, but Java compiler is there. So you need to see the Java C. Java C means Java compiler is downloaded or not. So for that I need to Java C version. So it is showing Java C version. So one more thing I would like to say that is if Java is downloaded, Java C not downloaded like that it is showing means first of all you need to go to the setting uh, type here edit system and environment variables. So with this, in this we need to set the path of the Java. Understood? The path of the Java is not set in our computer, in the system. That we need to set in this. So go to environment variables. So you need to see this is for a specific thing that is for a user, Charan, and that is my name. So this is for the system, whole system. So you can see the named path. If path is not there means you need to you need to create a new path. Otherwise, the path is very important. Otherwise, you cannot run any file. So double click on that. You're going to see all these paths that we are going to set this whole computer. So whatever the computer that these are all things that I have installed pre-installed. So I have MinGW. This is for C programming. I have Git. You know already Git. So Node.js I had, MySQL I had, Docker I had. So these are all things that I had. Recently I also added the Java Oracle Java path. If you not had any path, you're gonna going to have a new, and you are going to have some path over here. So what you are going to paste over here, so I am going to come back over here. Suppose you need to trace out the file called Java. So it will be something something look like this one. So I have found the folder called Java. Go inside the Java. So go inside Java 25. Inside this you have some folders. So go to the bin. So inside all this you have all the compilers, you had all the compilers, so you don't need to worry about all this. So double click on this, so you will get all so you will get this path. So just copy this path and again come to this, and here you need to set out a new one. So click on new, paste this. So as I already had the Java in my computer, so I will not going to add here. So click on cancel, click on OK, means you need to click OK there. So click on OK. So that will set all the environment variables in the system. Now you can completely see Java and Java C in your computer. So if you are getting any error, so you need to go back to the video and check out all the video once. I'm going to have the code in the VS Code. That's your wish, up to you. You can use the IntelliJ, that is the JetBrains IDE, and you can use Eclipse also. That is your wish. So as I already have the VS Code, I am going to fire up the VS Code in the project folder itself. So you can also create a folder and open in the VS Code. So I came to the VS Code. So close this welcome board and create a new file. So it's showing, asking me remove that. So I am going to have the first Java file as example demo.java. So this is very important, that to name your Java files with extension called .java with the extension. So that's very important. So it will be saying some to install some of the extensions that you want. So remove that or ignore that. So yeah, the .java is very important for other programming files like like .c. You will going to have for C files. So double click on that, and I'm going to have open in integrated terminal. So whatever you are going to you are doing in the CMD, you can also do here. So I want to see the Java version here. So I will do Java hyphen version. The same thing. Show will show here. I also see Java C hyphen version. So it will show the Java version and Java C version. And the next thing is that we are going to have the, so everything you are going to have in classes. So first of all, I am going to see each and every detail in this video. So first one, what I am going to do is, so public class. So what is this public? What is this class? And why are writing like this? So slowly we can able to understand all these things. Each and every word has a meaning in the Java. So we will get to know all the details in the upcoming videos. So for that, wait a bit, we will get to know. So first of all things will be in classes. So first of all, I will write public class demo. Okay, I will open this brackets. Okay, this is the class name that you are going to define. So in what will be there in this class? So you can have all the things whatever you want. You can have methods, you can have variables, everything. So first of all, every Java code will start with a main method. So let's declare that. So public static void main. So basically we are going to create the main function. This is the main function where whole execution of Java program is said to be. So we are inside this, we are going to pass the arguments as string. It's an array basically. So args. So okay, I hope you understand. Basically, it's a function that where all the execution starts. So what is this static? What is this void? Why are writing main? Is this necessary to write only main? So yeah, that is very necessary to write only the main. So what is our aim? Our aim is to print something in the terminal. So again, I'm going to open the terminal. Yeah, here is our terminal. So write S out. That is the shortcut for to print something in the terminal, or I will show for you. So yeah, it is important to know about system S out. So after writing that, you are going to have in the double quotes that is hello world. So if you want to execute this, you can simply click here. So you can clearly see hello world. So clap. So you are going to print hello world. This is the first program that is successfully executed, and we have got successful output in the terminal as well. Like that, you want to print anything, you can print in the terminal. If you want to take from user and print in the terminal, that also can be done. So this is right over here. If you click this run button, it will directly execute our whole command. That is one way of writing, or sorry, one way of running the Java code. Or the second way of running the Java code is you can have, sorry, not there. You are going to write in the terminal Java and your file name. What is the file name? So file name is demo.java. Execute. See, it's printed. So these are the two methods that you are going to execute your whole program. So whenever you run, or whenever you created a new class, that will be that will create a new class in the your folder also. See this demo.class has been created, because demo.class is very important rather than demo.java, because whole class codes will be lying in demo.class. Whenever runtime, when you compile, the files will be created. So finally, thank you.